Don't run. If you do, don't ever look back.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do the tutorial for the 5-foot animated spooky doll with the umbrella from Lowe's. So Jen seen it, had to have it, so we got it.
I think she's cute. I can't wait.
So let's put it together and see what she does. Let's get started. So this one's pretty simple. It's not much. First two is A's, and they just go on the base.
Look at her little shoes. She's got the little feet.
Now, which one's which?
I hope you can tell by now how to put your shoes on.
Well, I don't think you can, because on that one they're straight. They ain't curved. All right, so you got those two legs on. Now you got to put her little legs on.
Her little stockings. Oh my God, that's so cute.
Little bitty clothes. So then you just take the base.
Put her little dress on.
Take and put her right arm in here. It just slides in. Well,
Look at her
pull it
little
back up.
bitty hands.
Yeah, come over. Put the other arm in. Now this arm does have plug-ins on it, so I think so too. Yeah, because that's where the sensor's at.
Her little scarf.
Now this is different. Haven't seen a head like that before.
Oh, it just goes to the plug-in.
Mm-hmm. Different.
It is different.
Haven't seen one like that one. Something new. Let me just find the wire. Plug it up.
Looks like she's gonna need her umbrella today.
Yeah, she might need it. We had to move outside. Storm took our electric out. This is a little weird thing. Let's see.
So you doing with that? Just getting it lined
Yeah,
up?
just getting it lined up, and that's kind of fold it together.
Your zip ties are over there if that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, there's one. They got hose in here. You just take it and zip tie it together.
To hold it.
Yeah. Got a long cord to her though. Now guys, have y'all seen this? Have y'all been wanting this? And
Or does anybody have it already?
does everybody have it? Or are you gonna get one? I think she's pretty awesome. She looks different. Something different, new this year. So come in the back, and this does have the screw-in plug-in, so you push it in and then screw it in. I like those, that way you don't have to worry about the plug-in coming out in the back. Look at Bailey over there. She's enjoying herself at cool down, and she's over there just living her best life. And there's a little push pin in here, so just push it in and it'll go right there. I can't get down low enough to see it, baby. Come over here. Make sure that pin pops in there. All right. Now I don't know. That's pretty flimsy though. I don't know if you had that outside, which it does say indoor. It says indoor covered
indoor,
porch, but
yeah.
I'm just saying that's pretty flimsy in the wind if that was put up.
Now I seen cords in her thing, in her umbrella. Did they get plugged up anywhere?
I don't know. Let me look real quick. I didn't see that. I think it pushed down on it and it got power through it, I think. Because I don't see any cords. So I think when it pushed together, it just, I don't know, it's got power coming up through it, I think.
All right. Well, it sounds like our power just came back on. So, just in time. See how she works.
Let's take her over here and plug her in.
I've been waiting, watching, listening.
That's pretty cool.
I like her. I didn't know her head spun all the way around.
Yeah, I didn't either. So.
I smell fear. Am I that scary that you will turn your back on me?
That's pretty
I like
cool.
her.
That's pretty
I
cool.
like her.
Now, I can't really tell. Oh, it is lightening up.
Yeah.
So it does work.
Or will you stay and be my friend forever and ever?
That's pretty cool.
I like her. The lights on that umbrella even flash too.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Let's play a game. You won't win.
Yeah, I like her.
All right, guys. What do you think about it? Are you going to go out and get one? Comment and let us know if you went and grabbed yourself one of these. She is pretty cool, though. I wasn't for sure. I couldn't remember seeing her in a video or when we seen all the props that was coming out. What each one of them done. I couldn't remember, but we just liked the way she looked and thought it'd be pretty cool to go with Jen's little babysitting area and kids.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, guys. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. And have a happy, happy Halloween from Monsters and More.
Happy Halloween.
Stay spooky.